Hey everybody, welcome back. I am just going to jump right in. I'm happy to announce that I am finally giving an early access to this app that I've been creating. It's a complete 100% web app. You don't have to download anything from my app. There are other downloads you need, of course, to be able to run it, such as Wavelength. Everything's going to be through Wavelength like this. You would go through the effects section. It's going to all be under effects. I'm just going to give you a quick preview of this. I'm not going to show exactly how to download everything. Those are video tutorials that will come. Go ahead and open up any web browser. I'll have this link in the description of this video. Go to EQDomain.com, master your audio, conquer your game, reign with EQDomain. Click on choose your realm, pick PC, Xbox, or PlayStation, whatever your platform is. I'm still working on these two, but right now all we have are sonar for these two. I'm going to have also Turtle Beach if you have the save presets that you can add on the headphones, and I'm also going to add, I believe the other headphones are Razer, and currently right now I have the SteelSeries ones, and these are applying to headphones that you can save custom presets and upload it to your headphones. That's what this is going to be for console gamers. I'm going to jump into the PC part. I just want to make sure y'all are not left out. You can join, go to my YouTube here. You can also join the Discord here. You can caffeinate me. Don't worry about that. Go to PC. You'll see the actual EQDomain app is right here. Launch EQDomain. If you want to see all the patch notes, go up here where you see V0.7. That's early access. You can click there and then you can see what I've been doing for the updates. Go back home. I'm going to click back through these real quick for you, and then we're going to launch the app. Right now, just for the tutorial purposes, I'm going to grab Arc Raiders. This is going to be the same for Call of Duty. As you can see, I have Call of Duty, Arc Raiders, Apex Legends, Battlefield, CS2, Delta Force, Escape from Tarkov, Fortnite, Gray Zone, Hunt, Showdown, Marathon, and so forth. As you can see, all these, I'm not going to read them the rest out. There's quite a few. I'm clicking the Call of Duty. We have all these for now, but we're going to do Arc Raiders instead. Arc Raiders competitive. Most people are more competitive for that, but I also have a cache ones that does the Hurricane cache focus as well. Click on competitive. You'll know based on when I updated it. If it's updated very recent, within a week, it's going to be blue, and then you'll have green, and it'll tell you anytime that I've updated it. If you don't know how to search for your headphones and you can't find it, click on this right here, and then it'll tell you how to search for your headphones. I'm going to search my own headphones, HD 560s. There's going to be several different ones here. I can just type in HD. As you can see, there are going to be a bunch. A lot of them are from Gadgetry Tech. I love all his stuff. Anyways, we got a bunch of different makers for it too. If you, for some reason, not everything is Gadgetry Tech, you can scroll back up and go 560S. You can do easy or advanced. I prefer advanced. That's going to be totally up to y'all. This right here, the ReaEQ winds up combining both the game target and your headphone target to make one target. So that's the biggest difference here between the easy and advanced. You just have one less ReaEQ. This is all using replugs. I'll show you how to do all that a bit later. I'm going to have a tutorial for each and every single one of them. I'm going to hit on to the advanced mode because the ReaGate, the ReaXComp, and ReaXComp are going to be pretty much the same. The only difference is this is going to be the target for the first one, and this is going to be the headphone correction on the advanced. Again, on the easy one, this is both together combined into one. So if you want to try, you can try both, either or, but I prefer this one on the right. As you can see, I have this right here. You do not need like Dolby Atmos or DTS surround sound because Embark has HRTF, which is the spatial awareness already built in. So this is only going to be tuned for your actual tuning to be able to enhance like the footsteps and being able to hear arc and players dialogues. I'll go back to say Call of Duty real quick just to show you. We'll say Warzone, Advanced, and then you'll see that spatial audio is needed. I recommend Dolby Atmos, but we'll get into that another time. You can also use DTS, whichever one you prefer, or you can just use the built-in one, the Windows Sonic, I believe is what it's called. But so far with my research and everything, Dolby Atmos is going to be one of the better ones without having to get all kinds of extra stuff. We'll go back to Arc Raiders, competitive, advanced, and then all you have to do is add all of these different ones into Wavelength here. So go up in here, you can hit add effects, and then you're going to want the gate first. I'm going to close it out, add, and then it's going to be in this order. So bring this over, bring that over, click on that, add effects. Then you want to ReaXComp. It should say slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5. Add ReaEQ. I'm not going to add all the rest. I'm just going to quickly show you how these work. You can click here. You can click on this and it'll highlight gold where you're at. And then when you click on it, it will also get the copy button. So you can open up the ReaGate, bring this over. The threshold is going to be on the left. You can hit copy, highlight it, and paste. You can do that for every single one of them. So the pre-open, click it, click on that one here, and paste, and so on. I'm going to close that one out. We're going to go down to ReaXComp, click on it, bring up that, bring it over, click copy for the hertz, already at 200, copy for the threshold, which is this one here, and so on. I'm going to close that out. We're going to go ahead and jump to the game target one. Some headphones are going to wind up having only 10 bands. If you're on PC, that's just with you're using the wavelength. Some of them are going to have only bands for the type. Some of them will have the low shelf and or high shelf. It all depends on the headphone that you have because some headphones are better tuned, some headphones are not as good tuned, so that you have to add those low shelf shelves and high shelves to it as well. Anyways, I'm going to show you quickly just the first couple of tabs. You can go ahead and add all 14 tabs like this. Click add tab until you got 14. I'm going to go to tab 1, see how it says low shelf. These are to type in the band. I'm going to change it to band. I'm going to click over here, click paste, click here. Oh, that's the second one, sorry. Click here, paste. That's the reason why I added the gold line there. So you know that if you switched over, because I was having a hard time just going across. So therefore, just an extra user interface quality of life there. All right, on this part, if you scroll to the top, it says if you're having any clipping, you want to add this DB game. So that's going to be on the ReaEQ target for itself, the game target. So I should actually clarify that on here. Anywho, it's going to be on the game target, the game target for the game. If you're experiencing clipping and audio noise just kind of cutting in and out, you'd go negative 3.66. At least for my headphones, that's what it's going to be. I recommend to start off with 0 unless you're having clipping. Then you would go back and you would add this clipping into it, the clipping guard essentially, by lowering your gain. I'm going to close that out. You do not want to add it to the actual headphone correction. The only thing that would ever change in the future once I upload more targets or change targets, the game target one will be the only one that changes. So you would go in here and you'd edit game target. Now Wavelink, you can change the name of this. We'll say game target or arc raiders, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to add the other ones just real fast, just so I can add the headphones one as well, the correction. So you'll see edit, double click it, HP correction. There we go. And then for the correction one, it might be 10 bands, it might be 16, it might be more or less. So this one is 16 bands. So you do the same. You might have the low shelf or high shelf, depending on the headphones you have, just add all those bands and then copy and paste each one of these. Once you've done all that, I will, for most of the games, I'll start uploading all the videos here, tutorials for each and every game to be able to add it to it. If you click on here, it'll jump over where the software that you would need. So for PC gaming, you're going to need the Wavelink software. You need the replugs, VSTs, and the Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos is a 7-day trial. You can get it, I believe it's $15. Sometimes it's on sale for like $9. DTS, I believe, is like $15 as well. If you wanted that instead, I'll probably add the links for that too for alternatives. For right now, the console softwares, I currently only have the SteelSeries on there. You can get the SteelSeries app on the computer, and then you can get the SteelSeries companion app on your phone. And for you console players, I'm just going to run back just to give you a quick show of click on console, click Xbox, launch, choose your game, Arc Raiders competitive. Let's say you have SteelSeries, because this is technically for SteelSeries right now. We'll say Arctic 3 Nova wireless. This is also the 3X. Click on that, let that load up. And then this, you don't have to worry about this. I need to remove this because it's for consoles because it's already on there. Anywho, clipping, you probably don't even need to worry about that, but these are the frequencies that you would need because under the SteelSeries, the Sonar application, you have the filter types when you get on there, and then you have the gains. I'll show you also a tutorial how to do that when you're on the computer, and I'll see how to show you how to do it on the phone as well. Then next upcoming is going to be Razer and also Turtle Beach headphones that you can get presets for. Anyhow, y'all have a wonderful day. God bless y'all. Jesus loves y'all. Take care.